This model kit review is of the Lancia Stratos Turbo. This is a race car from, I guess, the 80s and 90s. And it's a 1/24 scale model by Tamiya. We've got some very nice box art. Here we've got, I guess, actually, 74 maybe. Dimensions there. Got some pictures of the model from the side, front and back. And let's have a look inside. Well, let's have a look at our main body here. Well, it's a very nicely molded body. I guess these days they would actually have the grille going all the way through, but it's still very nicely molded. Got some recessed door lines, panel lines here. No mold lines really anywhere. Okay, here we've got our wheels. Here are the wheels. Got front wheels and rear wheels, very large rear wheels. Got that large wing. Also got our driver. We do have some pretty significant lines there. But this is an old, it is a very old molding. Here's our glass. There's the windshield inside. There's our rear glass. We've got some lights. We've got our tires. These are racing slicks. And we've got some large ones for the front, small ones for the back. We've got an axle here and some poly caps, and looks like some screws. No, those are axles. Never mind. Okay, let's have a look at the black sprue here, and we've got the chassis here with looks like that's going to be for our front suspension, and wheels are going to turn. Front wheels will turn. There's our engine kind of molded in. Got some suspension parts here. There's the insides of the doors, central console there. There's our seat. We've got our dashboard, steering wheel. There's our windshield wiper pedal box. There's our instrument panel there. Side mirrors, and then the rear louvers. That is beautifully molded. Look at that. I guess this originally used to have batteries. You put a battery there with the motor, but this is a very old molding. Okay, we've got our decals here, and we've got some very nice decals. Look at that, beautifully printed. And now we've got our instructions, and there are the details about this car. Those are the colors needed there. We start with the, looks like the rear axle, and then the front axle there, and we put the engine bulkhead in there, start to build the cabin. There's our steering shaft, steering wheel, and seat. There's our driver figure. And we've got the body painting there. And then there's the decals there, building the insides of the doors, the rear, the dashboard, putting the glass in, and put that inside the body, put the additional body panels on, spoilers and so on, louvers, and then side mirrors and front details, and finally mount that onto the body. Here's the decal and paint guide. And that's a fun little model, fairly basic, good for beginners. And yeah, that'll be a fun build.